across. My full body will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I finish on which foot? Right. So I move my left leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll do it again. We'll repeat it again. Okay. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the ladies, your first step will always move towards your back. So the back cross step will always move back first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic box step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Back cross step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The basic step, box step. 1, 2,